वाह क्या रिस्क लिया मैडम ने। Good morning YouTube, just woke up, headed to Delhi today, but let's start the day with prayers because that is an appropriate start to the day. तैयार हो जा भाई, ये 1 घंटा करेगी लेट अभी।
अरे वो पैकिंग कर रही है बस, वो फिर पहले तेरी करेगी फिर मेरी करेगी।
चलो नाश्ता करें।
नाश्ता भी बना कहाँ है?
वो छोटा बेबी का है? नहीं दूसरा ब्राउनी
मिला नहीं मुझे सुबह से।
नहीं
वही सो रहा होगा ऊपर चढ़ के।
ज्योति
ये स्वेटर के पैसे आपने वसूल कर दिए।
बहुत अच्छा स्वेटर है।
सबसे बड़ी बात हल्का बहुत है ना।
अब लाइट जैसे
इसका दाग कैसे छूट गया ये नहीं समझ रहा।
इस पे दाग था।
I want to take my Burberry this time.
Where is it?
I don't even know that.
What are you doing in this house?
Bro, see
If
that.
you can't even take care of your one Almira, then what are you doing here?
Look at that Almira.
बनी भी उसी अलमारी में रहता था और तेरे से डबल कपड़ों में रहता था। But he stayed very
एक तो
sorted.
मुझे एक समझ नहीं आता हर चीज में ये कंपैरिजन में जीतता क्यों है। ऐसे जैसे इस घर में सबने सीखा है कि इसकी तारीफ करनी है।
ये आगे रख दो, बाकी ये दोनों तो आ जाएंगे। वैसे तो वो भी आ ही जाएगा। Benefit of traveling with a woman, there's some body milk because hands get dry. Mine also get dry, but I've never carried this stuff. Look at the calluses. Bye. Anyway, we've left for Delhi. सोचते हैं 9 बजे निकलने का, निकलते 11 बजे है।
All thanks to Jasmine Gladi.
All thanks to Jasmine. पैकिंग करने में इसे 2 घंटे लग गए।
And then also she's unsure. She's come with the plan in her mind that India हर चीज मिलती है हर जगह पर।
हर जगह हर चीज़ मिलती है। हम whenever we travel somewhere and we're like सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? दाढ़ी का सामान। Like कपड़े का क्या है भाई, रिपीट कर लेंगे। We'll wear the same t-shirt, we'll buy a t-shirt, but दाढ़ी का सामान अगर सिलाई कहीं नहीं मिली, अगर फिक्स हो या कहीं नहीं मिली तो then that'll be a problem. But then when we go to Punjab, you're like पंजाब है, ये तो कहीं भी मिल जाएगा, या कोई और सिटी या गुरुद्वारे के आसपास मिल जाएगा। So yeah.
And my today's thing was that just have to carry an ID. Rest everything's good.
Carry कर ली ना ID?
हाँ, have to carry my ID and work laptop.
ठीक है, चलो जी, we are on our way. इन सब में फास्टैग की कोई दिक्कत आ रही है, हमेशा प्लेट से ही कट रहा है। तीसरा फास्टैग लगवाया है ये, तब भी नहीं चलता।
तोड़ो, भीड़ जो करे वही करो।
सीट बेल्ट पहना जी।
पहन रहे जी। भाई वो नैप वर्कड। मैं कितने घंटे के लिए सोई थी?
15-20 मिनट।
That nap worked wonders. I was very tired. I hadn't slept since last night. I didn't sleep at all.
वाह क्या रिस्क लिया मैडम ने। We've just stopped for a washroom break, taking 10 rupees to tip the person in the restroom. He opens the door and stuff. 100 है।
छुट्टे करा ले।
ठीक है।
There's 100 and then there is.
घर से क्या खाना है? तो है तो 20 रुपए है तो।
But मुझे भी तो चाहिए।
वहाँ होता है कोई लेडीज वॉशरूम में?
लेडीज में भी होता है। छुट्टे कर लेते हैं।
बॉस छोटे है? He's like, screw you. There was indeed somebody at the door. We have tipped. कोई मिला टिप के लिए? मैंने भी।
I तो forced it in a hand, I think.
So yeah, we are carrying this car today.
I was like कि इसके नाम की है तो इसके पास ही जानी चाहिए।
The regular guy wasn't there. Anyway, so
you know the regular guy here?
yeah, he recognizes me. पहले मैं इतना आता था दिल्ली यार, महीने में 1-2 बार होता था। But हम इस कार पे इसलिए आए हैं because tomorrow we were supposed to park this car and go to Mumbai. तो हम ये होटल में ही पार्क कर देते overnight and we would fly to Mumbai for work and then come back. But that work has been delayed a bit. कोई बात नहीं।
Do you want some lotion?
No, but the work has been delayed. That's why we didn't get the Merc. But this car is also comfortable अगर 2 बंदे drive कर रहे हैं। हाँ, if you're with the driver, then of course that car is more comfortable. Oatmeal in the house, baby. 2 different डब्बे आए हैं.
My mother's like, we don't want them to fight with it for it.
हाँ, वो बहुत ये हमारा स्टैंडर्ड मील है ऑन द हाईवे एंड इट्स सो गुड. कैसी बनी है? अच्छी है?
मिट गई मेरी सब तन्हाई
It's only my second time here.
Or with breakfast.
With breakfast. We'll have an early breakfast and bounce. Charji, now we are headed to the hotel. What a beautiful start. There was a beautiful Shabbat playing as well. Finally reached the hotel. Looks nice, no?
Yeah. It's an older property and I think that's why it's...
Older properties have that charm if maintained well.
Zainab must love Lucknowi biryani and non-veg food and you're like...
So the lady checking us in Zainab, she's like, you must go to Lucknow if you're a non-vegetarian. I'm like, but they use khade masala. She's like, yeah. I'm like, I really don't like it. I'm like, do you like it? She's like, isn't it obvious? Okay. If you say so. Is there a room?
808 places.
Looks like a pretty old property. ठीक है?
809. 808.
But ठीक ही लग होगा. Tension की बात नहीं है. Upper room tour दावेंगे सारे अनु. Oh, basic, teeny weeny. Taj Mahal is very different. सत श्री अकाल.
This
is a very tiny room, but the view is decent. Not bad.
Masala chai, sir.
Masala chai and
Some
coffee.
cookies.
And
And this is a coffee with extra shot of espresso.
Awesome. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Anything
much.
else, sir?
No, sir. That'll be all. Okay, while Jasmine naps, let's go check out what the pool looks like. I'll also show you the gym, and in that process, see the gym myself. और उसके बाद I'll take a quick nap and then be off for Sitar. Low-key impressed, man. Not bad. The outdoor space is very vibey. There's a couple of people dining there and just looks very nice because the weather is so ideal, right? So yeah, the sunset is cool. That outdoor, I think it's called Capital Kitchen. Looks cool. At the entrance, if you turn right, this is where you can enter the spa and the pool. It's right here, man. Right here. Alright, that's the basically view that you see outside. Pretty vibey. Ciao ji, now let's go watch some sitar. Try to take a nap. Neend to aayi nahi. Ab kuch sitar dekhte. I hope it's good. Then let's see what to do for dinner. We've taken a grilled sandwich takeaway. Car mein khayenge ab. Full experience lenge, but agar horrible hua to?
Anushka Shankar is one of the best in this.
By the way, I played sitar in school.
Doesn't match up to this guy's standards.
No. I was horrible. And I was horrible at a lot of things, but I'm also a big believer अगर movie अच्छी नहीं है बाहर आ जाओ. But ये अच्छा होगा. Going with full hope. Sitar here and Sitar where we're going. So we've taken like a sandwich takeaway and we asked them to leave it with the bell desk. So that's done and we will arrive right on time, I guess. देखते हैं.
Thank you.
Good night.
मिल गया sandwich?
Yeah.
Nice. चलो जी. Let us go. Good night जी.
I am not sure about that. Of me getting out or anything.
I came running out for Jasmine call because she said she dropped her shawl, which she didn't. It was in the car. Now I'm gonna run back inside. Let's go, baby. And the good thing is, barely out of breath. Best part.
That yes, we can survive. Yes, we can be carried through. Anyway, enough talking from me. I'm going to start playing. After that song, we'll play one of my favorites. It's called New Dawn, and it's a piece that takes a repetitive refrain that I kind of keep building it through the cycles, and slowly what's around it starts to shift, and then slowly it also starts to shift, and I think it's a beautiful example of how change can work.
Yeah, hungry now man, but कौन सा cuisine खाएं, इंडियन या कुछ और. देखते हैं कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट वाइबी लगता है. क्या करना है? डिनर तो करना है. कहाँ करना है? कौन सा cuisine? देखे कैसी वाइब है.
Okay, and the napkin you see, we have like different uniform we are wearing. It's inspired from like different cultures, like Purana. You cannot do that. You sure?
What exactly is this? This one? No, what is that's a minced paneer with a beetroot flavor. Okay.
With the what?
Beetroot flavor.
Great dinner man. भूख भी बदल लगी थी. There was our first proper meal of the day. Had a non-alcoholic mint drink which was very well done. दाल बहुत अच्छी थी. पनीर अच्छा था. पनीर बहुत first time खाया बाहर का. You like cheese खा रहे हैं, पनीर भी खा लेते हैं. Good food, but of course on the expensive side because of the restaurant. Anyway, this was a detailed look into my day in Delhi. Hope you enjoyed it. मेहनत बहुत लगती है YouTube में.
I agree. Like, yeah, you're saying it was on the expensive side, but had we not eaten at the hotel, had we eaten anywhere else, our bill would have been more.
क्यों? More क्यों होता?
Definitely ज़्यादा होता.
कैसे होता ज़्यादा?
कहीं भी चला जाता, you wouldn't have eaten Indian. Anything like non-Indian is ज़्यादा expensive होता.
हाँ, बड़ा अच्छा था. I तो enjoyed it.
हमने रच के खाया.
रज के खाया. 2 गार्लिक नान भी खाए. हमने कहा एक गार्लिक नान ले आओ, तो एक ही आया।
ये पहला होटल है।
2 पीसेस आते ना जनरली, सो
और हमारे आगे वाला टेबल भी यही क्वेश्चन,
वो भी यही पूछ रहे थे, ये एक ही है? लाइक यस सर, दिस इज़ 1 पोर्शन। फिर हमने दूसरा मंगाया। वी हैड स्टीम्ड राइस, दाल, पनीर, एंड यू सॉ एवरीथिंग। नथिंग बीट्स फूड बाय मेशी मेक्स दो। ठीक है जी, सितार बहुत अच्छा था, 1 टाइम वॉच। खाना अच्छा था, अगेन 1 टाइम। स्टे अच्छा था, 1 टाइम। सब अच्छा था, ग्रेटफुल। कल घर जाएंगे, मुंबई कैंसिल हो गया, एंड वी विल डू ट्रेडिंग 2.0 वंस वी रीच। अभी बहुत थकान हो रही है, सो आई विल जस्ट स्लीप। गुड नाइट गाइस, सी यू टुमारो।